Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Chopra, and in today's session we are going to learn how to create PowerPoint presentation using AI tools. So in the first part, I'm going to create the content for the slides. So I have created a prompt and I'm simply pasting this prompt here. So you can refer this prompt later. I will paste in the below section. Okay, so as soon as I have given the prompt, you can see I have got the content for slides. Slide number 1, welcome to the future of accounting. So by the way, the prompt was for creating slides on the topic generative AI. So I have got this content, and in total I have received 17 slides. Yes, so now what I will do, simply copy paste these content and I will generate PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so simply I'm selecting slide 1 to slide 17 and I will paste it in another tool, which is Presenty.ai. So I have gone to Presenty.ai. I am pasting the content of slides here. Okay, so till 17, till slide number 17 I have selected and OK. Now it will ask you to proceed. Okay, so transform according to the original content. Yes. Now it will generate, or we can select AI expand and supplements the original content. Yes. So AI is creating this content, and now the next step will be to select the theme for our PPT. Okay, so let's select the theme of PPT. Okay, so let's select this one. I am selecting it randomly and now generate. I've just clicked on generate, and now you can see that the PPT is getting created in front of us. This is the index, content, introduction to AI, need for change, definition, benefits, overview, areas of automation, how we can automate our tasks, and that's it.